Be careful on Thursday, August 15th. If you are watching this on Thursday, it's no coincidence.
Close the fingers of your left hand right now, because the biggest, most life-changing day of your life will begin. If you skip, it will be the most disappointing day you will get in 2024, followed by extreme bad luck. But if you watch till the end, like and share it, it will lead to the best day of your life, filled with money, love, and happiness. All the money you have spent over the last 6 months will come back to you multiplied by 100. You will be richer than ever and never have to worry about money again. You will end this week with complete financial freedom. If you are ready for this blessing, type "I trust" in the comments. I see there are significant blocks that are stopping you from reaching your true financial potential. These blocks will be removed tonight while you sleep, and money will flow freely towards you for the rest of your life. Within 24 hours, someone is going to surprise you with a lot of money. This person's name starts with the same letter as the second person's name that appear when you click share on WhatsApp. Now sit back and watch your life improve immediately.